Maki just reminded me that I told my wife I'd have this fan replaced before she got home. That was 2 days ago and we've been sitting in the dark, so let's swap it now. I honestly think that Maki just got tired of me trying to train him to turn off the light and hit the remote. But it's time to move out of the 1600s and it's time to upgrade. Thank you, Maki. I went with this Globe electric fan from Lowe's because said wife, Abby, has been going back and forth between liking yellow and white lights. And like I said, we keep losing said remote, so I wanted to be able to control it from my phone. I like the way this fan looks. Instructions were super straightforward and it took about 30 minutes to install. Little tip when you're looking at the diagram putting everything together, make sure it's oriented from the ceiling and make sure those 2 screws are loose so you can twist the collar on. Final task for us is twisting on the light cover and setting up the app. Shocker. Nice help, buddy. Since my helper is evidently already asleep, I'll just go in on the app, change the color, brightness for something more relaxing, and obviously join him to test the product to make sure it works properly for naps. This fan is exactly what I was looking for and passed the sleep test. You can visit Lowe's.com for other options or visit your local Lowe's for a special offer.